It's Halloween and we are making Halloween cookies. Pumpkin cookies. And this is my little sister Ava. She has been on some of my videos. Hi everybody, my name is Ava. So today, since it's Halloween, we're gonna make Halloween cookies. All our Halloween cookies will be in the package. So we're gonna be decorating them. Let's show you what we have. We have some dun. We have jack-o'-lantern shaped cookies, or we can just call them as pumpkins. Orange for the skin, black is me. I can maybe use black for the eyes in my mouth, and green might be for the sun for me. Or you can maybe use the green for the pumpkin, because when the pumpkins are not ripe, they're still green and then they're turning orange. Yeah. We have one black bat. We have a white ghost. And we have an orange pumpkin. These two are really good for Frankenstein. Yeah. They are really good. Yeah. Let's get started on decorating our cookies. Oh my god, that looks like Hulkman. Oh yeah. With the skin. So now I am going to use maybe the black. This is like a life cycle of a cookie. Because see, first it starts green, then it starts orange, and then it's a jack-o'-lantern. Nobody gets to lick the knife. Looks like Venom. Guys, I think he might be making Venom cookies because Venom is very scary for Halloween. My cookie, I added I think I was gonna add black on the mouth, black on the eyes, but nah. So I put just all over. But I made mine into Venom because he's spooky, and Venom Part 2 is over yet. Okay guys, we are done with our making our cookies. Decorating our cookies. Have a fun Halloween and don't eat too much candy because we don't want you to get a cavity. And also, give a like, thumbs up, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Peace!